Customers often ask us, what's your process? We've developed a process that ensures not only that your vehicle will receive the absolute best care possible, but also that each customer that leaves our shop with their freshly detailed ride will be back with their very next car. Of course, we start with the vehicle drop-off. Once the customer hands us the keys, we store the vehicle inside of our climate-controlled warehouse and begin the inspection. We look over the car's paint to determine what method of paint correction needs to be performed. Once inspected, we begin our prep work. We start prep by washing and decontaminating the car using a combination of chemicals and tools which aid in the removal of any harmful fallout from the paint, such as iron sap, bug guts, and other contaminants that may stick to the paint. Once we finish prepping the vehicle, we perform our interior detailing service, as well as any interior restoration if needed. We'll then begin paint correction. This includes taping off plastic trim and rubber pieces, as well as emblems to avoid getting compound or any polish stuck to the inside of the seams. A light polish is performed at a minimum before coating application. Depending on the severity of the paint defects, whether swirls, marring, or oxidation, or scratches, we begin with the least amount of aggression when it comes to polishing the paint. The ranges of paint correction are from 1 to 5. If paint protection film is being applied, we then rewash the vehicle to remove any compound or polish residue. We begin the coating process by applying Modesta P01A primer. Once applied, we wait 3 hours for the primer to adhere to the paint. Once the primer has been applied, we then apply the Modesta coating by hand. We then use our state-of-the-art IR curing lamps to cure the Modesta coating to the paint surface. That takes between 3 to 6 hours. We then seal the vehicle's paintwork and coating with Modesta M1 Shot. With the vehicle being fully coated, we often encourage our clients to allow us to keep the vehicle for 24 to 48 hours after the coating application has been applied. We store the vehicle in our clean, climate-controlled environment that really helps the coating cure process and allows it to be undisturbed. With the coating process completed, we work on the final details, like cleaning the windows, dressing the tires, and doing any secondary vacuuming if necessary. Now that the vehicle is completed, it's time for pickup and education. The vehicle is released to the client and proper wash and care instructions are provided. Often we go over proper wash techniques and suggest washing products, like Enzo line of car care that we use inside of our shop. We include a coating maintenance instruction card and a follow-up with a coating maintenance email that includes instructions on how to properly clean and maintain your Modesta coating.